Howdy, y'all. It's getting to be fall, winter, fall. Let's go inside and use some cast iron. So we got us a cast iron Dutch oven. We got us some chicken, some celery, some onion, some carrots, and I got some taters somewhere. And let's see what we can do with it. Look, I found taters. Split them in half and throw in some onion. And I stuffed some stuff in the chicken butt. I got some seasonings. Got some more veggies. I got some Italian seasoning. So I'm going to try to stick this chicken in this pot. And I'll put some olive oil and sprinkle some of these herbs and seasonings, and let's see how this goes. Okay, I started out with a shaking of my homemade salt, pepper, garlic, this is dash, paprika, etc. blend. Then I added some Italian seasoning, and then I added a little bit of kicking chicken just for a little pop. And finally, the piece de resistance. Trader Joe's everything but the leftovers blend is awesome. And they only come out with it once a year, and it's sold out fast every year. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to stick it in the oven. It's 300 degrees. And I'll check it after a couple hours, but I'm figuring about 3 hours. And then I'll take the lid off and stick it back in for about another 15 minutes or so to get some browning. Although I could use the air fryer, but why do that when I got the oven all hot and bothered? Right. No, and you see I added onions and, the veggies. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Okay, y'all, it's been 3 hours, and let me see if I can do this. Look at that. Should be 170, and it is 170. But we're going to take the lid off now and brown it. So, we'll be back. Okay, y'all, check it out. We got yummy chicken. We got some veggies. We got some taters down there somewhere, and we can make us some gravy out of the juice. So hopefully it's gonna taste as good as it looks. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, constructive criticism, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. See you next time. Bye!